Okay, to sync Runkeeper with MyFitnessPal, you click home. In the bottom right corner, the three dots, you press more. You scroll down to apps and devices. Press on apps and devices, like that. It then takes you to the apps and devices, says all, and then those connected. So under connected, you can see there's nothing. If you click back on all, you scroll down and you search for the app you want. In this case, we're searching for Runkeeper. So we scroll down till we find Runkeeper. There's Runkeeper. Click on that. You then click connect. After you click connect, it takes you to the Runkeeper website where you've already created a username. So you log in. In my case, I might have synced it through Facebook, and I might have saved my password, so it auto logs in. Once I log in with Facebook, my username and password, I then click on allow, authorize Runkeeper, and then it's synced. And now if I go back to my app, to MyFitnessPal, there it will show me that Runkeeper is now connected. So I obviously don't click disconnect, but I go now under the apps and devices and it appears under connected. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we sync under apps and devices. We sync Runkeeper or any other app.